Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up. The date today is, let's have a look. We have Friday the 7th of April. Just a quick catch up what's going on in the garden. Just been out cutting the grass for the first time this year. Sonny! There's my little cat, Sonny. Hey, Tiger, what are you doing? Sonny! He's eating some grass there. Yep, first day of spring today. Absolutely spot on. Really enjoying it. So yeah, daffodils are out. My geraniums, perennial geraniums, are coming through nicely. A few thistles to dig up. My hollyhocks looking really well. If you're getting damage like this, it's normally caterpillars. I normally check inside any cut stems like that, take those off, because they love to be inside those. I've found over the years, caterpillars. Look, one there. See that there? Just get a little close up there. See that just there? That's one doing the damage. So break those off, remove them, and that should sort that problem out. But yeah, come down here. That's a fuchsia there. That should spring back to life soon. And on the right hand side, with a nice hollyhock. That's had some more damage there. So just break those off, remove those, put them out for the birds or put them in your compost bin. Down here, some beautiful daylilies that are looking really nice now. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have here beautiful lupin. What do you have? Primula. Absolutely love these. I've got growing some of those in the greenhouse. Little ladybird there, not if you can see that. Yeah, it's really enjoying the weather today. Everything's coming to life now. Some more primulas come around here. So look at these, absolutely amazing. So much colour to the garden. These are self-seeded, these. Can't even remember buying colours like that, but they look absolutely stunning. Then we have some pinks, some carnations. Just here. I'll prune those back. Another lupin here. Coming nicely. Come round here. Beautiful daffodils. Absolutely amazing. This is one of the old varieties. These were in when we moved in several years ago. Down here we have my peonies, which I absolutely love. Just needs a weed. Bit further down here. Yeah, they're looking nice. These delphiniums flower really well. Really looking forward to those flowering this year. We come down here, we have the peony here next to my hollyhock. That will flower really nice this year. My clematis, it got pruned really back by mistake, but that should come back nicely now. Just my little bird feeders there. Put a bit of water out for them there. And we have here this peony here, always the first to flower. It's an old variety. It's beautiful, scarlet, purpley colour, absolutely amazing. And then we have down here, this is a white Diane Joyce, I've called it. It's a white oriental poppy, which is absolutely amazing. Down here we have these beautiful hollyhocks that are going to grow really nice this year. And then some more daylilies there. And then the big mass here, there are some, I think, I've got some, if I'm not, bluebells there. They should all come flowering through soon. Here we have one of the early flowering forget-me-nots. It's absolutely amazing. Coming around here, these beautiful golden tulips, absolutely stunning. Little bleeding heart down here. You can't wait. Stop flowering. Be great. Another peony there. Flowers really, really well. Then we have, from a couple of years ago, some delphiniums that I grew from seed. That one there. There's one there. Another lupin. A beautiful bleeding heart here. I thought was going to get really damaged by the late frost we had, but it's coming on nicely. As we come along, some more delphiniums, some more lupins. We come down here. This is a penstemon. This always flowers really, really nicely. I need to cut this grass back here. So not like a lot of competition these, so I'll trim it all back from round there and I'll prune that back. That should be fine this year. But yeah, these are my pots that have been left out. I don't think I'm going to have anything left in there that's going to be worth growing, so I need to change all the compost and repot those. Sonny, Hep Tiger, what are you doing? Yeah, boy. Yep, come down here. This delphinium is one of my favourite. I've got some videos of this one and some pictures on my YouTube and Facebook page. It shows this beautiful electric blue. It's absolutely amazing. My climber here. It's called Cottage Cream. Absolutely, the scent's amazing. We come a bit further down, just have a look round. You can see everything. Here's my agapanthus that I grew from seed 3 years ago, so they should flower really well this year. There's my peony in pots. Look, I was going to get some really nice flower heads on it this year. If you've got any questions about anything running my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.